So we're driving this down the slide.
Yep, we are going to put this Jeep, wait, down this slide. Wonder if you can they see how, like, it's really high up. It's the tallest slide in the park. And we're gonna put it down and see what it does. You ready?
Daddy, you do it?
You can do it. I'll count down. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Oh no! Oh, it wiped out.
Let's try again.
Yeah, let's try again.
You stay up here and then I'll get it to you.
Redo. Okay, let me see if it'll drive up here. Come on. Let me see. I'm gonna have to go down there and reach for it. Alright, got it.
I'm gonna come up.
Okay.
I can't believe I made it. Yay. You don't have it right now.
And the people are still here at the park. I'm gonna there's a whole bunch of them left though. I'm gonna just over there on that pavilion thing eating. But a whole bunch of them left. So there's only a few left. And the cameras are still up over there on that little shed. Okay, ready? Whoa! Oh, it didn't land it.
Let's try again.
Okay.
We do.
Redo? Oh, you want to put these down this side? I can go to the bottom and film it down there. We have a bunch of goodies in here.
Yeah.
We have these alien spaceships that Jack opened from the Ryan's egg. Was it Ryan's World egg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another YouTuber.
Yeah. So let me go down to the bottom of the slide.
And then can you give that up to me too?
Yeah.
Good.
Your batteries. Uh-oh.
I'll do it.
I got it. Your battery fell out of the remote control.
I know, I'll come down there and get it.
No, I got it.
Oh.
See?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Are you gonna push the spaceship down?
Yeah, after I put this.
Spaceship's gonna come down.
And then give me the car after I put this down.
Okay, ready? Whoa! It didn't go as far as the Jeep did. I'm gonna push it back up to you. Ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Sorry, that hurt.
I'm push 2 spaceships down at a time.
Okay, hold on. Let me come down here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, launch! Woo!
Oh, I almost hit the car. Can you send me the car up?
The Jeep?
Yeah.
Sure. Here it comes. Kind of make it go back a little bit so it can get a head start.
Okay. So, ready? 1, 2.
Oh no! Oh, he just came tumbling down.
Well, you landed it though on top of the spaceship.
I think your knees were in the way. It hit your knees.
Oh, yeah.
You might want to back up. Oh no, let me try.
Okay,
No,
I'll put
I'm coming up there.
you go. You can get the remote.
Here, do you wanna go down there and hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Hold it straight. Remember to make sure that it's looking, and you can look in there and see right here. This is the screen and you can see, okay?
okay. Alright. So, I'm going to be recording this time. Then I have to get out the way because my mom's pushing that down the side, right? Yep. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Whoa. Hold on. Again. 3, 2, 1. It landed it.
Yeah? I was good at recording it.
Yeah, you recorded it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I want to get the Jeep down that slide.
Ooh, down the curvy slide?
Yeah, woo.
Yeah, let's see what it does on that one. Yeah. You can go up there. Go up there. I'll just wait down here. Jack wants to bring it up this curvy slide, or down this curvy slide. There's those people over there still.
Now I'm putting them in water. I can get up here. It's easy. I'll show you. How easy it is. Ow.
Oh. You made it.
Get down on the bottom of the slide. Sweaty?
Hold on, let me get to the bottom. Alright.
What's the battery? Okay.
Guess one of the batteries fell out again. 15 seconds left before the video turns off. Oh, didn't make it down. Or it didn't make it all the way down. It flew off the side.